In this video, the KSP-1000 production line is being commissioned in Russia in 2020. The video shows the first batch of finished products. The line is used to manufacture fiberglass mesh with diameters from 2 mm to 12 mm and with various mesh sizes. Since 2012, ARPLASTIC LLC has been manufacturing equipment for the production of fiberglass rebar, mesh, and bent corner elements. We guarantee the lowest direct from manufacturer price. Minimum prices with no intermediaries.